Today it's finally time to do another unboxing video. I love making these videos mostly because it means that something pretty cool is being added to my collection. As you can see, this box here today is from eBay, so we'll go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. I know it's some vintage fire alarms of some kind, and I can't wait to show you. Some newspaper. Looks like we have our first item covered in this newspaper. We'll go ahead and see what it is. Ooh! Wow, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. Check it out. It is a Mirtone 73303U pull station. I do not have anything like this in my collection, which is why I'm super glad to get one. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box, and of course we'll pull that and everything later. Looks like we have another package that's about the same size as the last one. And it's another one. As you can see, it's another Mirtone 73303U. So I guess that means we'll have to pull one of them right now. I'm kind of curious. As you can see, it says pull here in case of fire, so I'm guessing you just pull it from the top and the whole front kind of comes down. So let's try it out. And there it is. Alright, we'll pull the other one here just for fun. Here we go. There it is. Wow, it's kind of hard to initially pull it, and then once you pull it hard enough, then it kind of becomes really easy. So on the inside here, as you can see, it says to reset, insert 1/4 inch screwdriver behind spring and fully down to stop as shown. Levering against the screw head, push handle and screwdriver toward wall until handle latches over spring. Remove screwdriver, replace glass rod by pushing into one side during the insertion. Interesting. And then it also says the model is here. So I guess we'll go ahead and try to reset this. Might as well. Well, there we go. I wonder if it'd be any harder if it were on a wall to reset. But I guess I'll just have to learn that when I install it on a future system test. Right? Trying to get this one reset. There we go. That one's reset. That honestly might be one of the most difficult pull stations to reset that I have in my collection. All in all, it's still pretty easy, but yeah. Let's see what else we have. I can see the back of it. Well, do you have any guesses as to what it might be? Let's turn it over. As you can see, it is one of those vintage Simplex strobe plate alarms. It is a 2902-9739, and this is actually a speaker strobe. And this is my first time having a strobe light plate, so that's pretty cool. I do have an actual light plate, but the light on it burned out like the second time I used it. So that's why you haven't seen that one in too many of my videos. But this one is a speaker strobe, which means I can use this on my wheel lock voice evacuation system tests. So I can't wait to dust this off and see how good it works. As you can see, here's the model tag, Simplex 2902-9739. I am going to go ahead and wire up the strobe on this alarm just to verify it's working, just because when you order things from eBay you never really know if it's working, as I've learned in the past. But I am confident that it will work just fine. Alright, the strobe is all wired up, and I'm going to go ahead and apply power in 3, 2, 1. Nothing. It's actually been a little over a week since I filmed the last part of this video, and I have good news and I have bad news. The bad news is the strobe on this alarm is broken. It sadly does not function. I did a bunch of troubleshooting and testing of it, and it just would not, I couldn't get it to work. The good news is I got in contact with the eBay seller, and the seller was able to send me a new Simplex 2902-9738, and the new one does work. So this is the old one, which I'm holding, and the new one is right here. Dun -da -da -da. As soon as I got this new alarm in the mail, I did wire it up and I did test the strobe. The strobe does work, which is great. I'm not too worried about the speaker because those usually don't break, but I will be testing it as soon as I wire it up to my voice evacuation system for a system test. So I'll go ahead and test the strobe out for you right now so you can see what it is, and that'll be the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. And as you can see, yes, the strobe does flash kind of slow, but it does work great, so pretty cool.